Good evening, guys. Welcome back to market analysis. So let's look at what happened to the market today. So Nifty opened flat and then it started filling the gap in the first 15 minutes itself, but made an engulfing pattern in the second candle, which is 9:30 candle, and after that market started moving up. So the closure was around 15,610, which is the first resistance area. It hit that close to 15,606 and then it started reversing. So market did not move above that. After that, almost it was like the closure of the market. Today, Reliance was lifting again the sentiments because, as you saw on Friday, the huge, like after the huge positive news for Reliance, it again moved like it again pulled the market today. Uh, like almost close to 150 points. Like in 2 days, it has contributed more than 150 points for Nifty's bullishness. So after 12:45, market was in a range bound for almost 2 hours, and then again it shot up around 3 o'clock, and then it started reversing at 3:15. So open interest wise, 15,500 is having a huge support as of now. So upside resistance is going to be 16,000 only. So no upside resistance as of now. So it is highly bullish. So participant wise, open interest is like 15,500 is a support and 16,000 is the resistance. If you see FI and DI data, FI DI data is almost both of them had bought for almost 2,500 crores. They are highly bullish. FIs has reduced their long positions in index by close to 1 to 1.5 percentage. They are still around 87, 86 percentage in longs, hedged with 59 percentage of shorts. So coming to Bank Nifty closed to 385 points higher. So as usual, the same pattern which Nifty made, but then it went close to 35,410, and then after that 410 it is unable to close around that area. Close above that area. So we were waiting for to sustain above that, but only at 3 o'clock it started sustaining, and then it went close to 35,575 levels and then started reversing. So Bank Nifty stocks, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank. Kotak Bank was helping in the morning, like supporting in the morning, but later on Axis Bank, ICC and HDFC banks were supporting. So if you see sustaining above 35,800 levels, market may touch 36,800. Like close to 1,000 points in next 1 or 2 weeks. 35,700 is going to be the first resistance for this Bank Nifty. So tomorrow I'm expecting, if today is a strong closure, so tomorrow I'm expecting close to 35,700 opening, and market may retest the today's high, and then it may start moving, or else if there is any negative sentiments, then it may start falling. If you see Nifty and Bank Nifty both are making a rising wedge pattern, which is actually bearish pattern. So if you see in 1 hour chart, it is making a rising wedge pattern. So anytime market may, if it closes below this 15,530, 520 levels, then it is actually bearish for market, bearish for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So again, Bank Nifty is also making a rising wedge pattern. So everybody is bullish. Like all the stocks in the HD, like banking stocks are all bullish. Asian Paints today, again it hasn't given a signal for retest. We are still waiting for the retest levels. So this is the rising wedge pattern, and I'm waiting for market to retest once these levels. But looking at the intensity of the bullishness, I think 16,000 is going to be the first before the bearishness. So Bank Nifty is again the rising wedge pattern. Reliance. So Reliance, if you see, it is close to making a cup and handle pattern, but our actual target was 2,200 levels, which is the first target. As per the harmonic level, the next, next reversal point or potential reversal zone is 2300 levels. So market may touch around 2200, make a consolidation, and then again start moving close to 2300. I think Jeffries have given a target of 2580 also. So market is highly, Reliance is highly bullish as of now. If it starts coming to this area, 2200, it may touch this area, which is the breakout zone. And it may give a small consolidation here. Like it may give a consolidation here. It may give a consolidation here and then started going up. After breakout, one of my friend was asking what is the retest. So if this is the resistance zone, when it breaks, it goes up and then it should retest this area to take support around this area and then it should start moving. So that is actually the retest. So if a retest is made, that is a healthy movement for the upside. So this is the view for Reliance. Coming to banks, HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank is bullish, as we saw in the what's next weekly. June month forecast. Bank Nifty is high. HDFC Bank is highly bullish. The next potential reversal zone is around 1607. So today I have to mention one thing which you haven't seen. 61.8 percentage retracement. This will be acting as a resistance first, but if Nifty, if HDFC Bank sustains above and closes above this after 61.8 retracement, this will be highly bullish. From 1527 to 1577, 1600 levels may reach very quickly, which may be in another 1 to 2 weeks. ICICI Bank is bullish exactly at the reversal levels. Tomorrow I will look out for what is the candle it is forming. But as for the bullishness, if you are seeing in the Bank Nifty, I think this pattern may not be working. It should reverse, but yesterday, one day it made a reversal, but then today it made a deep green candle, which is close to, 0.886 and closed above also. This is a Marubozu candle also. So looking at the intensity of this bullishness in ICICI Bank, so I'm expecting again an upside only. IndusInd Bank, the next resistance or reversal, potential reversal zone is 1084, which is at these levels. 1886, yes. 1094. This is the level it may reverse. So it market may, IndusInd Bank may start moving upside. So a small consolidation is happening. So it will start moving upside. Kotak Bank has a huge room upside for the move because it has just started the move. So the potential reversal zone is 2008. It has just come to the 0.236 retracement levels. So again 3.25, 6.18. Huge move upside is there. The view is bullish. Axis Bank. Yes, Axis Bank is also bullish. I'm expecting close to 7,800 levels. Federal Bank. I had made a special video on this, what is this, cup and handle. So these Federal Bank, Bandhan Bank are all made cup and handle patterns. So this shows the upside movement. Forecast for the future. So please watch that video. So I had given the target levels. If you understand what is the cup and handle pattern, then you will understand what will be the next targets by yourself. So coming to metals, metals were the top performer today. See Nifty, metals as far as main closing above the 5,100 levels. These levels, 5,150, 5,200 levels, then there is no need of worry. sustain below this 0.786, market will come to 4,800 area. But today it made a, I mean, like a bullish candle. I mean, like in uh, all the steel stocks. You see Tata Steel. Tata Steel made around 22 points move. You see all the candles are like bullish candles. SAIL, Tata Steel. Like, see an engulfing pattern. Tata Steel is bullish Harami. Jindal Steel. So the HRC, which is hot rolled coil, I mean like hot rolled coil prices have been again increased. I think in the first week of May, it was increased once, but again it has been increased as of now. So there is a demand. There is a demand for to increase the TMT steels prices also. So overall, this has lifted the sentiment for Nifty metals. So I'm expecting a positive view. Please maintain a positive view on this metal sector. So today the long build up were especially on metals and oil, FMCG, NBFC, power, realty, cement stocks, and then bank nifty stocks. So pharma had a long build up. So short build-ups have been made in media, infra, auto stocks, and then IT. So short covering has been happened on telecom stocks. So coming to Nifty IT, Nifty IT again it is bullish. As for harmonic levels, it is still in bullish area. But today, since Bank Nifty has taken the charge, TCS, I mean like IT has made I mean like a small move today. But if you see the reversal levels and all, it is around close to 3,300 levels for Tata Consultancy. So it is at 0.618 resistance. Above that, sustaining above that, it will make a quick move to 3,250 in fee. In fee is bullish. So if you see the market made the Infi made it 3 days of negative candles. I mean like red candles, but then it is taking support around 0.618. So it will start moving upside. HCL Technologies. Yes, the upside movement is more. The more room is available for the upside move. So that's all from today. Hope you would have liked the content. So if you had liked the content, please like and subscribe. Thanks guys.